How to message on TikTok in an under 16 ID. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can message on TikTok if your age on your ID is under 16. Now, first thing is TikTok doesn't allow you to message anymore if you are under 16 or if your account birth date is under 16. Now, what you can do is change your birth date or you can change your ID. Now, you can always create a new ID, but if you don't want to create a new ID, then what you need to do is go ahead and open the app and head over to profile by tapping on the profile icon that you can find on the bottom right of your screen. Now once here, tap on the three-line icon that you can find on the top right of your screen and head over to settings. And once on settings, go to account, and on account you can go to account information, and here you'll find the option date of birth. Now just tap on it, and here you'll get the option to change your date of birth and then save the settings. Now, since I recently changed my TikTok date of birth, you can see that it has said I can't change TikTok date of birth because you recently changed your date of birth and must wait a while before you can edit it again. So this way you can message on TikTok if your account is under 16 by switching your account to above 18 plus. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.